In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create USB bootable drive for Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create USB bootable, first of all, connect your USB drive to your computer and then go to Google Chrome browser. In search, type download Windows 11. Type download Windows 11 and hit enter. The first link is Microsoft official download link for Windows 11. Click on download Windows 11. Scroll down. Here you will find the second option, create Windows 11 installation media. Use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. So this option is for you. So click on download now button here. Media creation tool has been downloaded. Click on open in folder. Now right click on media creation tool to run it and click on run as administrator. Close file explorer and close browser also. Getting a few things ready, applicable notices and license terms. Click on accept. Select language and edition. Here you will find an option, use the recommended option for this PC and it's selected. Uncheck this option as because we will manually select the language English United States and edition Windows 11. Now click on next. Select USB flash drive. Please remember it needs to be at least 8 GB. Now click on next. Click on your removable drive from here and it will be detected automatically. Now click on next. Processing is started. It's creating bootable USB drive. Your USB flash drive is ready. That means bootable USB flash drive is created. Now click on finish. Now I'm going to check. Go to File Explorer. Click on the USB drive. Look, the Windows 11 bootable USB drive has been created. This is the easiest way to create bootable USB for Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.